Welcome to Dikshi Jewellery Billing Software. I'll show you how to use the rate fixing module to set daily gold and silver rates easily. To start, go to the master menu and open the rate fixing option. Here you can enter and update daily rates for gold, silver, platinum, and diamonds. This table shows the system calculated rates for different divisions like 14 karat, 18 karat, 19 karat, 22 karat, and so on. These values automatically update when we enter today's market rate. Here we enter today's gold rate. For example, if today's rate is 9,200 per gram, we type it in the rate box. Next, VA percent means value addition percentage, which is usually making charges or markup. For example, we keep 20%. Dust percent means wastage or purity deduction, generally 1.5%. In the same way, we enter silver rate. Suppose today's rate is 110 per gram. Here, value addition is 30% and dust is 1.5%. Once we enter these values, the system will calculate the final silver rate. Now, click Update. The software will calculate and update all division-wise rates automatically. Do you want a free demo of Dikshi Jewellery Billing Software? Contact us today and experience easy billing, inventory, and rate fixing for your jewelry business. Thanks for watching this demo.